Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we're talking about how to optimize your Windows 11 for gaming. So guys, if you want to minimize your input lag, maximize your performance of your GPU, CPU, and RAM, and of course have as much FPS as possible in your video games, just follow my simple steps. Okay, so just navigate to your system settings on your Windows. After that, navigate to System, then Display, then scroll to the bottom and click on Graphics. Okay, and in here, guys, it's pretty simple. Just make sure that your hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is set to on, and also optimization for windowed games, should also be set to on. So this will pretty much ensure that you have the minimum and the minimal input lag in windowed applications, right, in windowed games. Okay, and then the next one. So from the same menu here on the left, press on Gaming. Then you go to Game Mode, and make sure that your game mode is set to on. So you can see it explicitly says, optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So this will make sure that when you open up your games, the background services are not eating up and cluttering your system resources with stuff you don't necessarily need as you're playing. Okay guys, and then you just open up your start menu, type in advanced system settings, and in here this window will open up. Then under performance you go to settings, and in here, guys, you can just set adjust for best performance. So this will make sure that you strip away unnecessary UI animations that waste your GPU cycles. Okay, and after that, guys, you can just close this down, open up your control panel, just search for it on Start menu. Then you go to Hardware and Sound, Power Options, and you can just set your power plan to high performance. As you can see, it favors performance, but may use more energy. If you're on desktop PC, that's not a problem. If you're on a laptop, well, it's up to you. But yeah, this high performance setting is pretty much mandatory if you want to squeeze out every bit of performance out of your machine. So that's it, guys. These are the 3 fixes I recommend. Enjoy playing games, enjoy the guide, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.